Okay, so you got a great game idea. Then because you're responsible game dev, you decide to write a game design doc. In the beginning, things go great since all you have is a blank document that you can fill with your ideas. However, later you realize that if you need to constantly update your document to match what the game actually is, then it becomes more like a chore. So today, I will share with you how I'm updating my game design workflow to make it more fun to maintain this game design document. Firstly, I gotta admit, this new way is not so new, and technically it's not a game design document per se, but I started writing my very lightweight game design document on a Word document containing only the important pillars of my game's design. After having that Word document, I noticed that sharing and updating the document was a pain. So then I moved it to ClickUp, which is the tool I'm using for project management, which is cool, but it had the same problem in my view, that is being a document. It gets incredibly difficult for me to keep updating a large document, and it's just time consuming. So after not wanting to work on my game design document for months, I decided that was best for me to find something that actually worked. I decided to do it all from Miro. Now I know technically not a document, you can't print and all that, but honestly it doesn't matter. All these GDD has to do is give an idea about the features that I'm implementing, as well as help me change and create new things on the game and having that full picture available to me. And here's how I'm placing things. I separate the topics and features that I think are important. For example, the main character's skill. Then I add an image or a GIF describing the thing, and that's pretty much it. Sometimes if the feature is not implemented yet, I'll add a bunch of notes and references and concepts so that I can visualize. But other than that, it's very simple and it's a lot more fun building this board than writing a boring document. But I'm interested to see how you guys are doing. Let me know in the comments. Alright, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.